Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. At kung bago ka sa channel na to, I'm Za and this is Za Canada. In my channel, we talk about immigration updates and buhay dito sa Canada ng mga immigrant or mga Filipinos. Well, today in this episode, we are going to talk about, again, the TR to PR pathway that they might release in April of 2026. Okay? And we have a very interesting topic na possibility, and it might happen again this coming April nga. Okay? So these are those people who speak French or French-speaking candidates. Posible ba na mapasama ulit sila? Or mapasama kami? Kasi I took the TCF exam lately. Siguro i-upload ko yan sa mga upcoming videos ko kung ano naging journey ko dyan. Anyway, possible ba nakasama ulit ang mga French-speaking candidates at kung ano-ano ang kasama or probably kung sino-sino ang pwedeng mapasali ulit sa TR to PR 2026 targets. Alright, so brief background lang. Back in 2021, there was a stream for French-speaking candidates. At ang nakakagulat doon is CLB4 lang ang requirement. O diba, napakababa niya. So, yes, CLB4 lang sa French. Ang higit pa doon, hindi pa napuno yung quota. Unlimited yung quota for the French-speaking candidates, pero hindi siya napuno. Kumbaga, walang masyadong nag-apply kasi walang masyadong nagsasalita or may skills ng French at that time. So, ano ba nangyari dito noong 2021? At ano ang napakalaking advantage ng mga may French skills sa ngayon? At bakit dapat ngayon pa lang nag-aaral ka na ng French? So let's talk about that French TR to PR pathway nga noong 2021. So kasama dito is yung international students, essential workers, healthcare workers, and French-speaking candidates. I mean the TR to PR pathway, sorry. Pero may French-speaking stream pala na kasali dyan sa TR to PR pathway. Which is, ang requirement lang is CLB4, which is medyo basic level lang siya. Hindi siya advanced, hindi siya sobrang hirap, basta conversational level. And ang exam na ginagamit dito is TEF Canada and TCF Canada. So kahit CLB4 lang, eligible ka na noon. And unlimited yung quota ng French. Kagaya nga na sinabi ko kanina. Walang cap, hindi siya tulad ng ibang streams na napuno within hours. Actually, yung ibang streams nagsara agad dahil sobrang dami ng applicants, pero ang French stream, hindi siya napuno. So why French is very important right now? Ngayon naman pag-usapan natin bakit laging nagiging importante ang French sa immigration ng program ng Canada. So kung napapansin nyo, may mga recent immigration updates. Canada is pushing more French-speaking immigrants outside Quebec. May target sila na i-increase yung number of Francophone immigrants. Kaya, ngayon, napapansin nyo, may nakikita tayong French category sa express entry, may Francophone mobility work permit, tapos may extra points pa siya sa, or may extra CRS points pa siya for French. So, kung ikaw, yung marunong mag-French, magiging mas competitive ka sa immigration system. at kung sakaling magkaroon ng French stream sa TR to PR sa 2026, malaking advantage ito sa mga workers, students, and temporary residents. Lalo na sa mga nahihirapan sa score sa express entry. And I'm really manifesting that because medyo challenging. Hindi naman malabo, pero challenging lang, maabot talaga yung CLB7 because you really need a lot of focus and I really need a lot of strategy in making sure that you follow the correct grammar and pronunciation when it comes to speaking French. So, yun. So, kung mas mababa yung ibibigay nila na CLB4, then mas maganda. Kasi, ang basic conversational French lang yung CLB4. So, ngayon may ibang bagay akong emphasize. Ano ba yan? Nabubulol talaga ako ngayong araw na to. Pasensya na po. Kahit na CLB4 lang noon ang requirement, hindi ibig sabihin na CLB4 pa din hanggang ngayon. Diba? Or ang ita-target nyo. Siyempre, the higher, the better. Mas maganda pa rin na taasan ang French level nyo. Bakit? Kasi hindi pa rin naman natin alam kung gagawin nila yung ginawa nila noon ng 2021. So, hindi natin alam kung ano magiging requirement for the 2026 TR to PR pathway. So, posible, might be possible na 4, 5, 6 or higher. So, kung ngayon, nagsisimula ka palang mag-French, mas maganda na you aim higher. For example, CLB 5, 6, or 7. Because the higher your French level, the more opportunities that you will have. So once again, what do we expect in April of 2026? Based sa immigration news ngayon, expected na maglalabas ng criteria around April para sa mga TR to PR pathway. Pero as of now, again, wala pang official confirmation kung may French stream ulit. Pero based sa immigration direction sa Canada, mataas ang posibilidad. Okay? So again, we still have to wait for the official announcement from IRCC kung may French stream nga na ilalabas for the TR to PR pathway. Especially kasi kung mangyayari ito, malaking tulong ito para sa mga temporary residents na nandito na sa Canada ngayon. Okay? So final advice, learn French as soon as possible. Okay? Start learning French. Kahit mag-download lang kayo ng Duolingo o mag-download kayo ng Buso or mga free app, simulan nyo nang matuto ng kahit mga basic lang muna. Okay? Kasi, and then, if you already know the basics, if you already know the grammar, then try to look for a speaking tutor. Kasi, mas mabuboost yung confidence nyo na magsalita ng French if you are talking to a native speaker. Okay? So, hindi natin alam kung kailan nila ilalabas yung criteria, kung gaano kataas yung requirement, at kung may quota ba or unlimited ulit. So, let's just manifest and let's pray to God na walang quota at mababa lang yung requirements para lahat tayo ma-PR na lahat tayo dito. Diba? French is becoming more and more valuable in Canada immigration. Kaya kung ikaw ito, worker, student, or temporary resident, this might be the best strategies to get your PR. So again guys, wala pang official announcement para sa TR to PR pathway for this 2026 for the French stream. Pero, malaki ang posibilidad na bumalik ito. So, we are manifesting. So, kaya habang wala pang criteria, so you have to polish your French, take the exam, and reach the highest score as much as possible. Okay? So, if you found this video helpful, i-like nyo to, subscribe into my channel, at laging katandaan, hindi kailangan maraming pera, basta may peace of mind. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.